Hi, beautiful people. It's your girl, Mercy. Okay. And today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you are going to restyle your braid. The other day, I showed you the other packing style. Today, we want to repack our braid to get a different shade and look. All right, follow me up. Watch till the end. You will get the steps in detail. You see how I'm picking the front edges one after the other. Yes, we are we are picking it one by one. You see how the style look, even though we have not finished. It's given already. Okay, please support your girl by commenting, drop a love emoji, like, share. If you have not subscribed, please do hit the subscription button. All right, I love you all, my people. Okay, follow me up. We have finished picking the front edges. Right now we want to band it with the one at the back. You know, we parted into two. We parted the hair into two, so we'll band it at the back together to get a different look. Isn't this beautiful? It's beautiful, very simple, unique, and beautiful. Yeah, you can carry it like this if you want. If you don't want, you can donut the back. See now, very beautiful, very unique, very simple, and very easy to do. I'm loving this hair. I'm loving this parking star. I'm loving everything about this parking star. Is given. See now. Please support your girl. Like, comment, share, drop a love emoji. Hit the subscription button, please. I love you all. I love you all. I love you all. I love you and love you again. Hello, beautiful people. It's me again, Mercy. All right. Please, if you are coming across this video, just hit the like button, hit subscription button, comment, just drop a love emoji for Ebere Mercy. Yeah. Okay, on this video, I want to show you how you are going to style your braid. It's simple but unique style. You see, just follow this video, watch till the end. You will see the steps, the simple steps that you can apply to achieve this beautiful packing style. All right. So you see how I divided the hair into three parts, braided it, and used clip to hold it to make everything look beautiful. Okay, so after styling my hair, you can carry it like that, but I decided to use my scarf. All right, I started to tie a scarf. Even this scarf is another style you are going to learn on this video. Yes, the only thing you have to do is just to help me and like this video. Please like, please share, please comment, please follow me up, hit the subscription button. All right, I love you all. Yes, so follow me up. You see the way I'm styling my scarf, even not on your braid. Even when you want to go to church, or you want to go outside, or you want to go anywhere, you wanted to style, you want to use a hair tie, you can style it like this to make it you look unique and beautiful. Did you see the bold form in front of the scarf and the way I'm just folding all those edges inside to make it look beautiful? Yeah, isn't this beautiful? Yes, can't you see the look? You can decide to carry it like this. Yes, you can decide to carry it like this. It's beautiful. Yeah, but you can also fold it inside. Just wait for the second look. Yes, you can decide to carry it with the bowl, or you fold it inside to make it give you another beautiful look. Yes, please support me.